all three piggies in the same pen. No fighting, just a little huff between Doodle and Woodrow. Doodle and Arnold could care, Arnold and Woodrow could care less, huh, Mamacita? Come on. Let's get y'all in y'all's own pen. Come on. Come on, mamas. You too, Woodrow. Come on. Come on. Come on. Good boys. Very good boys. I know you wanting a treat, aren't you? Mommy don't have no treats. Come on, Doodlebug. Good guys. Good boys. Hey, girl. See where Woodrow went. Come on. Come on, let's go find Woodrow. I gotta mow their pen. He's poo-booing it. Gosh, you too.